Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your quick setting panel on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and to customize our quick setting panel, we need to go to our quick setting panel. You can swipe down your screen like this and go to the quick setting panel. Then you can click on this pencil icon to customize your quick setting panel. Okay, and here you can choose the top quick setting panel and the full quick setting panel. You can customize both of them. The first one, I'm going to customize my top quick setting panel. I'm going to click on edit, and here you can select the buttons you want to add to your top quick setting panel. Here I have added this button, and I'm going to replace it. For example, I'm just going to replace this screenshot with location. Okay, and I'm just going to click on done. Alright, and then I'm going to customize the full quick setting panel. Go to the edit, and this are the button I have added to my quick setting panel. Then you can replace the button with the available buttons right here. For example, I'm going to replace the link to Windows icon with for example, battery protection. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to replace the modes with multi-control. Okay, then just click on done. Right, and here you can also choose either you want to show the brightness control or not. You have two options: show always and show when quick panel expanded. I'm just going to select show always. Alright, then you can customize the quick setting panel instant access right here. You can just activate this feature if you want to automatically open the quick setting panel when you pull down from the top right corner on the screen to access the full quick setting panel without the notification. I'm just going to activate it, and I'm going to show you. So when we pull down on our screen like this, the quick setting panel will be automatically opened. Okay guys, and that's all the way to customize a quick setting panel on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.